Did you know yawning is actually contagious? Like, you can start yawning just by seeing someone else yawn, or even thinking about it. But why does that happen? Scientists believe it's linked to empathy. Basically, your brain is copying what the other person is doing. It's more common in people who are socially connected, and less common in very young kids or animals. So when you see someone yawn, your brain kind of mirrors it without you even noticing. Which is why you might be yawning right now. Yeah, I just made you yawn.